If you don't care about getting the quarantine 15, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Amanda. If you're new here, I'm one half of My Mom's Greens. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of vegan baking, a little bake with me, super chill, laid back. As you can see, I got some pajamas here, so that's the vibes for today. We are not baking bread because everyone else is baking bread. We're going to be different. We are baking vegan chocolate chip cookies. So, disclaimer, I am not a baker. So you guys are just going to be seeing me figure it out just like you would. Kind of have a chatty, fun video today. I did get this recipe off of Pinterest, so I'm going to link that in the description below. And if you hear some meows in the background, it is my cat being very mad. She is in the other room. So without further ado, let's get to it.
All right.
So for our ingredients today, we've got a couple things. First, we've got some brown sugar. We've also got regular sugar in the cut here. We've got unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but you can use whatever dairy-free milk you have around. We have vanilla extract, baking soda. I got baking soda. We got all-purpose flour. We got some salt. We also have Earth Balance soy-free vegan butter, and then last but not least, we got some vegan chocolate chips from Nestle. So we're gonna combine all these ingredients together to make some tasty cookies. Let's get to it. In terms of utensils, we don't really need much here. One, you're gonna need a mixing bowl. If you don't have one, borrow one from your mom like I did. And if you can't borrow a mixing bowl, then use a pot. Who cares? As long as you have something big that you can mix all your ingredients in together. Then I've got a spoon because I don't know how this spatula is going to fare. This is like a baking spatula. As you can see, it's been kind of chewed up by the oil, but it's whatever. And then, of course, we got a baking sheet. So let's go ahead and combine our ingredients together. I've written everything down on some paper, really old school, because I hate touching my phone when I'm cooking. It's really gross. What I recommend if you're using a recipe on your phone is I'll wipe it down with Clorox wipes, but I don't have any today. So we're going old school with the paper. Let's get to it. So first we need a cup of softened butter. So I put out all the measuring cups here because I want it to be exact. So I'm just going to scoop this into the big 1 cup, and then I'm going to melt it a little bit in the microwave into the butter. Okay, maybe we're going to use a spatula. Just say, guys, I'm not a pro baker, but yeah, spatula is way easier to get this butter out. Woo, it's going in smooth. So you soften it, I know for a fact, so it's easier like when you mix it together. So that just means you want to microwave it. And again, like a cup is a lot. It's easier if you do these with like the vegan butter sticks. Like they have buttery sticks, they have Country Crock buttery sticks, because then you can actually see on the side where it measures out what a cup would be. So that's easier. It's usually like a stick of butter pretty much. Now that we got a nice fat cup of butter in here, like a little bit more butter. Look at that, look at that. Now we're gonna go ahead and get that in the microwave. So, yeah, because we're combining the butter and the sugar first. So I'm just gonna put it in there for 30 seconds. I don't know if I should have put the cup in the microwave, but that's what we're doing today. So we need a half a cup of brown sugar, and we also need a half a cup of white sugar. So let's go ahead and throw that in the bowl now that our butter is heating up. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that softened butter into my bowl. It looks like an egg wash. And then we're gonna get our butters in there. Our sugars in the butter. We got a half cup of brown sugar. I just want to note that most of the things in this recipe I already had in my cabinet. I did it on purpose because A, it saves money. I know a lot of you guys probably don't have extra money to spend on a bunch of like baking ingredients right now. So if you just want to do something fun, kind of mindless, and you're looking for something that's already in your cabinet, then I think this is a really good recipe to go with. So I'm going to add a half a cup of white sugar. Boom. And now we need a 1/4 cup of our dairy-free milk. So I've got this almond milk, which is like Sam's Club brand. So again, like use whatever you have on hand. And then we need a teaspoon of, oh wait, I forgot to read the instructions. Okay, let me mix this together before I put anything else in here. Because I put the milk in and I was supposed to like mix the butters with the sugar first and then put the milk in with the extract, but your girl does not follow directions, so. I told you guys, I'm a novice. Okay. This is what that mixture is looking like so far. So now I'm gonna add the teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's our teaspoon there. And you can get like these little measuring things. I got these from Target and they're only a couple bucks. So that's a great thing to have in your cabinet in general. If you guys want like what you should have in your kitchen type video, let me know, because I thought about filming that when I first moved into this apartment. I never did. So if you want that, comment down below. So now we're gonna add the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. So we need 2 1/4 cups of flour. I'm gonna rinse out the cup I used earlier. All-purpose flour, nothing fancy. There's a cup there. I need 2 1/4. I'm just gonna measure the 4th cup with my eye because I don't feel like switching to the other cup for that. It's really thick. 2 cups. And then that's about a 4th cup, measure by eye. If you're like an OG baker or someone, you know what? I'm gonna do what I want to do. Someone shits me in the background. I'm gonna do what I want to do. Okay? We're going rogue. Okay, so I need to add the salt. How much salt do I need? 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Well, it's like nothing. I kind of want it saltier, but we'll see. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we need baking soda. We need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And baking soda is like super cheap. So, 2 teaspoons. I don't know about you guys, but every time I have like a recipe, I have to read the instructions like 5 times before I can actually do it right. So, bear with me, okay? Baking soda. Boom, baking soda. Okay, so now these are all the ingredients aside from the chocolate chips, which we're gonna add last. So, just gonna go ahead and mix these up. I'm just using this little spatula. I didn't want to use a whisk because I found when baking a lot of times like this stuff gets stuck in the whisk. So that's no bueno. I'm really sorry about the cat in the background, but she loves to hop on the counter when I'm cooking, which is obviously gross because we don't want cat hair in our cookies. So, ooh, this mixture is looking really, look how smooth that looks. Looking like real cookie dough, which I don't know of what else it would be looking like, but you never know. Anyway, so now we're gonna go ahead and add chocolate chips. So it says basically like how many you want. So 1/2 cup to like a cup of chocolate chips. So I'm just gonna do this one by eye. So I found this at Walmart. It's only 3 ingredients. It is vegan, which you can see. It'll have one of these certified vegan things on the label if you guys are ever curious. This was about $4, so it's like $1 more than the regular chocolate chips because people love to upcharge vegans. But nonetheless, I'm excited that we have them. So I'm just gonna throw them in there. And then I'm gonna fold it all in. Ooh, this looks so good. I've never made chocolate chip cookies from scratch, so I'm really excited about this. I feel like a real baker. And this will be such a fun like family night thing to do, or couples night. Like baking chocolate chip cookies. Like look at that. I'm gonna try some raw and there's no eggs in it, so I don't see it gonna be a problem. Ooh. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Uncooked. That tastes so good, guys. I'm so excited. So now, let's ball these up and get them in the oven. All right, so we're gonna ball these up as big or as little as you want. I like bigger cookies, but I think this is a good size. This is like really kind of, no, actually it balls really well. There we go. I think that's a good size. I'm gonna go ahead and ball these all up off camera, get them on the tray, and then we'll meet back together when we pop them in the oven. So I've got 9 cookies balled up on here. I still have a ton of cookie dough left, so this would be really great to refrigerate or to make another batch or give to a friend, whatever you want to do with it, but I didn't feel the need to try to cram up this pan. I've already got my oven preheated to 350, so it says to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in. So we're gonna let those bake, and then I'll meet back up with you guys to do a quick taste test and let you know what I think about this whole thing. Okay, so I just checked on these cookies. They're looking pretty done to me, so let's go ahead and get these out of the oven. Make sure you got a pot holder, something to protect your hands. And we're gonna pop these out. They smell really good. They're looking a little light compared to how I'm usually used to seeing my cookies, but that could just be the ingredients that we use. So I'm gonna let these cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna give them a taste test. Okay, so I got my baby spatula here. I'm gonna take one of these bad boys. Oh, it just slid right off. Good sign. Let's try it out. These are good. It's like really thick, so if I were to do it again, I'd maybe make smaller balls and then maybe add a little bit more salt just to give it a little kick, I think. But my first time baking cookies from scratch, this is pretty freaking good, guys. And this recipe it's a winner. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below and be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to see some more vegan baking videos. I would love to film some more. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow us on Instagram and on Facebook at Not Your Mama's Greens with the Z on all platforms. Until next time, I'll see ya. Bye guys.